New Descript AI features is wild. What if you never had to sit through a boring edit again? No dragging clips, no hunting for cuts, no re-recording a single line. Sounds too good, right? Well, the newest Descript AI features are kind of wild, and most people have barely scratched the surface. Hey, I'm Ava, your AI avatar. I love helping people actually learn AI tools and use them in real life instead of stacking up apps that just sit there. Today, I'm unpacking the new Descript AI features, and a few of them genuinely made me go, wait, it can do that? So stick around, because there's one near the end that fixes a broken line without recording anything new. That's the moment it really clicked for me why this stuff is wild. Let's start with the obvious question. What is Descript? Descript is an AI editor for video and audio, but it flips the usual process around. With most tools, you're carving up clips on a timeline. With Descript, you edit the words. It listens to your recording, spits out a transcript, and matches every word to the precise second it happens on screen. So delete a word from the text, and that bit of video disappears too. Shift a sentence somewhere new, and the footage tags along. If you can work a Google Doc, you can work this. That's exactly why beginners take to it so fast. No maze of buttons to decode. No stress about which panel does what. Most people land their first edit within a minute or two. The timeline is still there if you want fine control, but you can build a whole video and never touch it once. Now here's the detail plenty of people miss. The second you open Descript, there are two ways to get rolling. The first is recording yourself right inside the app. Hit record, start talking, and Descript writes your words out almost instantly. You're editing before you even have time to overthink it. The second is starting a new project with something you already have. A clip you filmed, a saved Zoom call, some old recording tucked away in your files. You drag it in, it gets transcribed, and off you go. Nothing to convert first, no fussy setup, it just reads it and hands you the text. That step alone saves a serious amount of time. But the reason everyone's talking about Descript right now is the AI tools. So let's dive into those, because this is where it starts feeling a little unreal. Descript packs a whole toolbox of AI features into one place. One tool cleans up your audio. Another cuts out your ums and uhs. Another fixes your eye contact so you look glued to the lens. And there's an AI editor called Underlord that can actually watch your footage and make the edits for you once you tell it what you want. That's a lot under one roof. And before we go deeper, let me hand you something useful. If you want to try Descript yourself, the Descript link is down in the comments and the description. I'd grab it now while this is fresh, because these tools make way more sense the moment you're inside clicking around. There's a free plan too. No card needed, so you can test the AI features with zero pressure. Watch this, then go play with it. That's how it actually sticks. And since a lot of you asked me the same thing after these videos, let me get ahead of it. If you'd rather have the full step-by-step than just the overview, that's exactly what the AI Profit Boardroom is for. Inside, there are complete Descript walkthroughs plus live coaching calls where you can share your screen and ask, okay, how do I set this up for my channel? And actually get an answer. There's a roadmap that spells out what to learn first, then next, then after that. So you're never staring at a blank screen wondering where to begin. If you're building a real content workflow around tools like this, that's the room made for it. I'll circle back at the end. For now, back to the features. Okay, here's the one I promised at the top. Fixing mistakes with AI. You know the moment. You're rolling, feeling great, and then one word comes out wrong. The old fix? Redo the whole take. Descript's regenerate feature makes that headache vanish. When you cut a chunk of audio, it can leave an awkward jump where the speaker's tone suddenly shifts. Regenerate rebuilds the voice with AI and blends the tone around it so the edit sounds like it never happened. And it does way more than patch cuts. It can take a flat, lifeless line and breathe some spark back into it. It can also scrub out background noise, the leaf blowers, the barking dogs, all the racket that used to demand a real sound engineer. Now it's basically one click. That right there is the kind of thing that earns the word wild. Sitting right next to it is Overdub, part of Descript's AI speech tools. This one really turns heads. You can build a clone of your own voice. After that, if you catch a typo or want to swap a word, you just type the new word into the transcript. Descript says it back in your voice and drops it right in, so a tiny slip doesn't cost you a whole new recording. You fix it like a line in an email. Then there's Studio Sound. Small feature, huge payoff. It grabs rough audio, wipes out the background hum, and lifts your voice so it comes through sharp and clear. One click, no studio, no expensive mic. You could record in an ordinary room and still sound like you were in a proper booth. There's the filler word tool too. It combs through your transcript, spots every and like, and lets you clear them in one sweep instead of hunting each one by hand. It saves a startling amount of time and makes you sound way more confident. If you've ever cringed at a playback of yourself, you'll love this one. And then we've got Underlord, the big one. Underlord is Descript's AI video editor, and it acts like a partner right beside you. You just describe what you want in plain words. Trim this to 2 minutes. Hide my jump cuts with zooms. Pull the best bits for social. It reads your script, watches your video, and takes on the boring work. It can blast through a stack of edits at once that would normally swallow your whole afternoon. It never tires out, and it never groans when you ask for a 10th redo. So why does all this matter for you as a creator? Because the dull parts are exactly what stop people. The editing, the cleanup, the dreaded re-record. That's where videos quietly die on a hard drive and never get seen. Descript takes those dull parts and shrinks them right down. Less time fighting your software means more time actually making things and hitting publish. And the more you publish, the sharper you get. That's the real payoff here. It's not about looking fancy. It's about clearing the friction that keeps you stuck at the start. It's also perfect if you're brand new. No intimidating program to master. You edit by typing, which you already do every day. So that scary learning curve that pushes people away from video pretty much melts away. Now, let's be honest for a moment. Is Descript actually worth it? Here's my straight take. If you're making talking head videos, tutorials, podcasts, or short social clips, it's a brilliant match. Fast, simple, and the AI does genuine work. It's not built for big cinematic projects loaded with effects and color grading. That's just not its lane. But for the content most of us are actually creating, it's one of the friendliest tools out there. It carries a 4.6-star rating on G2 across hundreds of reviews. And big teams at places like Spotify and Microsoft lean on it. So it's far from some untested gadget. And the single biggest advantage? Everything lives in one place. Record, transcribe, edit, clean up, cut clips, and publish. All inside the same window. You're not bouncing between 5 apps and juggling 5 logins. Start to finish, it's one tool. That's what saves you the most time. And time is the one thing you can't get back. So there's your walkthrough. Text-based editing that works like a doc. 2 ways in, record fresh, or drop in a project. AI tools that clean your sound, cut your filler words, fix your eye contact, and repair mistakes without a re-record. Plus, an AI editor that shoulders the heavy lifting whenever you ask. If you want to jump in, the Descript link is waiting in the comments and the description right under this video. It's the quickest way to start messing with everything I just showed you, and you can try it on that free plan first. Quick note, just to keep things straight with you, the links below are affiliate links, which means I earn a commission if you buy through them, at no extra cost to you. The description says the same thing. That's part of what keeps these videos coming. And one last nudge before you go. When you finally sit down with Descript, you're going to hit a few, wait, how do I do this? Moments. Everybody does. That's exactly what the AI Profit Boardroom is built for. Inside, you get the Descript tutorials, the prompts to steer Underlord, a roadmap showing you what to learn first, and live coaching calls where you can bring your questions and get unstuck fast instead of spinning your wheels for days. It's over 4,000 members all figuring this out together. If you're serious about actually using these tools and not just watching videos about them, come join us at AIProfitBoardroom.com.